Why do you know English, but you can't speak English? I want to talk about a case study, per se, of one of my own English students. So when I went to get married, I went to the field. I was gone for a couple of months, so we didn't have classes together. I noticed one thing when we reunited and started up our classes again. He completely regressed. A lot of the progress we made in him being able to just speak naturally like a native English speaker kind of just went like down the drain. And I mean, we were able to build it up, and we slowly are, but it really kind of shows one particular thing, which is the importance of consistency. Now, because I was away and he completely understands why, he wasn't practicing with anybody else. He wasn't practicing with his friends, with his colleagues, nobody. He doesn't have anybody to practice with. Even though he knew he could, or if he wanted to, he could try to reach out and try to make some connections to do that, he wasn't making the effort to consistently practice. So what happened? The English muscles in his mouth, I call them English muscles, started to weaken. So everything that he developed that kind of just makes those muscles more developed physically. I'm talking about the way you shape your mouth in English versus how you would in your native language. He started to lose that consistency. He started to weaken those muscles. And so when he started to practice speaking again with me, all of a sudden, there was a layer there that he had to overcome again because it felt uncomfortable for him to speak. So I just wanted to leave that with you. If you are trying to speak like a native English speaker, if you are just wanting to speak, you don't understand why you understand all the rules in English, but you can't say the words, it's likely that you're not consistently speaking. You're not developing those muscles in your mouth. And just think of it as going to the gym. But if you need a place to practice English, my group classes have started up again. So if you want to join that, send me a message. So train your English muscles and send this to somebody who might need it.